Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? Today, we're delving deep into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 28, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed is crucial to make informed investment decisions. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 2.11. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 7.36%. This means that, on average, it has returned 0.41% per day since it was marked as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the top trend line at $391.51 is broken, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.53% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return range is between -8.81% and 2.87%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 42.65% change over the next year. The potential return range is between 29.43% and 44.21%. This means that the price could range from $505.03 to $562.71 after a year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up 0.262% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, Tuesday, November 28, 2023, the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.262%, moving from $389.17 to $390.19. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.704%, ranging from a low of $388.05 to a high of $390.78. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 3.44% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded has increased alongside the price, signifying a positive technical indication. A total of 286,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $13.30 billion. Within the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $393.07, while the lowest was $259.73. Currently, the price stands at 0.73% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $2.88, and 4.53% below the all-time high recorded on November 22, 2021. On that date, the price reached $408.71. Let's take a look at the signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF is showing positive signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a promising forecast for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, which further supports a buy signal. In case of a downward correction, there is support at $389.17 and $370.13. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it would trigger sell signals. Another positive signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which is on an upward trend. The increasing volume along with the price is considered a good technical signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals that may impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a -0.141% decrease so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals that might catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal was observed 6 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 16 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a buy signal was observed 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signal updates. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. When it comes to support levels for the QQQ ETF, we can look just below today's level at $364.70 and $359.97, where we see accumulated volume. It's important to note that there is some risk involved when an ETF tests a support level. If it breaks this support, it may then fall to the next level. In this case, the next support levels for QQQ would be at $364.70, followed by $359.97 and $343.66. In terms of volatility, the QQQ ETF tends to have average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF had a price range of $2.73, which is equivalent to 0.704% of its value. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.716%. Before we explore the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's first delve into some essential fundamental data. One important factor to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio could suggest a lower expectation for the company's future prospects, or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we'll dive into the potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for QQQ, which currently stands at $390.74. If you don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, for those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially indicating a rebound in the near future. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $376.52 with a decrease of 3.5%. This ETF exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 is at 77, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 5 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, there are several positive indicators for QQQ ETF in the short term. The overall trend looks promising, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified that the current price is overvalued, indicating some caution. Looking ahead to Wednesday, November 29th, we anticipate QQQ to open with a decrease of $0.517 and start trading at $389.67. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to show you our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion with us. What do you think the target for the ETF should be? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.